everyone. So this morning, we will now be able to know how to check the battery and using a multi-tester. So I am DEBBSON de los Santos, your teacher for today. I will introduce you to the materials that we needed. First is the multi-tester and second is the battery. You must follow the procedure on how to check the battery. First is we must set the multi-tester in 50. You will see that I am setting the multi-tester in the direct current in 50. It is because the battery of the vehicle is 12 volts or 12.6 voltage. Red is for the positive terminal and the black is the negative terminal. So we must put first the negative terminal, which is the black, and second is the positive. The negative terminal and second is the positive terminal. So we avoid ground. So as you can see, the multi-tester reading is in the 12. Therefore, the battery has a correct voltage and enough voltage to sustain its use to the vehicle.